Let me talk my shit. About $250,000 sitting on my wrist. Saying every time I pull up, it's expensive wigs. And look at shorty, I ain't seen her ass that big. She only around me for the money, she won't get nothing. Let me talk my shit. Girl, I'll pull up if I offer a gift. Oh boy talking down, ain't red dots at his lid. Don't take me serious, I'm just talking my shit. Ever since I got some money, niggas moving slide. Told you that I'm different, I ain't like these other guys. My clothes niggas switching, I don't even ask them why. While I ain't tripping, I go through this all the time. Shorty, you know it's my time, ayy. And I don't wanna compensate, I'm tryna grind, ayy. I know you lying, ayy, cause I ain't blind, ayy. I don't want no title with you, you ain't worth my time, babe. I don't fuck with none of these bitches cause they for the team. Come and get your hoe, she in my section feeling me, ayy. I don't smoke for all my niggas, they here rolling weed. I need my bitch here so she can suck my energy away. Rest in peace to my niggas who made it to the heaven gates. I'm popping addies and sipping Henny to take the pain away. You a distraction, just get up off me and get the fuck away. You gon' remember me when the Grammys start calling me. Let me talk my shit. About $250,000 sitting on my wrist. Saying every time I pull up, it's expensive wigs. Hey, and look at shorty, I ain't seen her ass that big. She only around me for the money, she won't get nothing. Hey,